Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how do you make Cash App auto accept payments. All right, so let's start. So first, go to your banking page and look for deposit and transfers options. Alright, so once you are there, you just have to scroll down until you see this option that says auto add cash. Now once you get here, all you have to do is just turn the toggle switch on. So if it is the first time that you turn that switch on, it is going to ask you how often would you like to add cash. Would it be daily, weekly, or monthly? So basically you just have to select how frequent you add money. Alright, now after this one, if you set up this one correctly, so according to the parameters that you set, you are going to automatically add money to your account. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.